Hello, got a quick video for you today. I just want to show you something I noticed yesterday on a stock I was writing about for Market Beat. This is Boot Barn, and you see the stock is rallying to new highs. They reported earnings recently, just back here a few days ago, and they've been growing online sales, in-store sales. The CEO said that the very successful quarter was due to not higher prices, but to new customers coming into the store. So that's something you always want to see. Now, what I wanted to show you about Boot Barn, though, it's pretty interesting. Before it rallied to that new high, it formed a pretty rare type of consolidation called an ascending base. You don't see this one very much, but if you notice here, there's one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, and you see pullback number one had a 16% correction from high to low. So you want these kind of within that 10 to 20% range of pullbacks in an ascending base. So this one really conformed to that. That was 16%. This was 14%. This last one was 13%. And what's interesting is you want to see in an ascending base, it has to meet certain criteria, and this one does, of a prior run-up, okay, of at least about 20%, and then you want to see higher highs in each pullback. So you see that? So then you rallied to 93.25, came up here to 99.64, and then finally cleared that 99.64 buy point. You also want to see higher lows, okay? So you had the first pullback to 73, the second pullback to 80.08, and you had over here kind of 87.08 was the low of the third pullback. Okay, so you have higher highs, lower lows. These three occurred in quick succession, and you don't see that happen very often. You know, you do see kind of failed breakouts, and at first this probably just looked like a failed breakout, right? The ascending base, like many patterns, you can't entirely discern them until after it's already happened, okay? And then at this point, you would have been looking at it going, well, hey, so that's interesting. You either had three failed breakouts or an ascending base. The ascending base did work. One other thing about the ascending base tends to kind of happen in somewhat choppier markets. So let's go over, take a quick look at the SPY, and this is a daily chart. And yeah, I mean, definitely, we all know this if we've been following the market. The S&P 500 has been kind of choppy, shown some volatility, some indecision lately, and that's exactly the kind of time you often see these ascending bases form, is when the broader market itself is showing some choppiness and volatility. Okay, just wanted to show you that today. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.